This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to block a user on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on Letterboxd. This is just the main page right here. So I'll show you different ways to actually block someone, to actually find their profile. But let's just say we're on the main profile. So you hover over the picture of yourself and your username here, and we click on profile. So from here, we can see the people that we're following. So I'll just show you quickly with people that I'm following if I click right here. So we can unfollow here, by the way, if you just hover over and you click the red unfollow there. But let's say we had a person open here. Now I'm not going to block this person as I'm actually following them, of course, for a reason. But in order to block, this is just an example, you would open the person's profile from here. We see the three dots here, the universal more symbol. We click there. And then we have this block button right here. So block this member. If you click there on that button, that will block that person. They will no longer be able to see or interact with your content. So you can obviously find users in different ways. Like, let's just say that someone's written something disparaging or something on a review of yours, or said something bad on a list that you disagree with, and for whatever reason you want to block them. You know, perhaps you're let's say you're on a film page here and you happen to see a review here that you take exception to. For whatever reason, you know, you can block someone. So you'd come into their review here. You would then click into their profile, which is obviously the key here. You need to be in this person's profile. You will click on the three dots there, and again, you can block. So that is just to say that there are different ways to block people, different ways to actually find their profiles even. But once you have found a profile of someone, that is how you actually block them. So hopefully this video on how to block a user on Letterboxd has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.